Welcome to Food Talk with Sharon. So, back with Priyanka in my kitchen, and we are continuing with the kitchen organizing tips that we have started this month. We've already done two series. The first one was about organizing your pantry items, and last week she shared with us tips on how you can effectively use the vertical space in your kitchen. Moving on from there, today I believe you're going to tackle drawers and shelves together.
Yes, two separate small tips that we're going to look at today. One deals with vertical organization of things like plates, pans, lids. Vertical organization is a very important tip from the KonMari method. You would have heard me mention it before during the pantry organization episode. The second one is to deal with your drawers, which have a lot of odd shaped random items. I can show you in Sharon's kitchen because she has a whole load of tools and utensils, and how to organize them again so that it does not look chaotic and anything that you need is easily accessible. Most of us have our cutlery drawers under control. We usually use the ready-made cutlery trays to organize our forks and spoons and knives. But we also usually have a large collection of odd-shaped cooking utensils. It could be whisk, smashers. So here we're using a cutlery insert, but you could always use smaller baskets. Measure your space, the space that you have, and fit in a couple of baskets or trays which can hold these things in separate categories. You need not have a cutlery tray. We are using it now today because this is what we have on hand, right? So we have our categories here. We're just going to fit them into their slots. See what fits where. So on this shelf we have an assortment of plates, platters and bowls, and if you needed to create a little more space to put in some more items in here, we are going to use this product, which is a corner plate rack. So we're going to put the largest platters and plates at the bottom, the medium sized ones here, and the bowls here. This makes accessing the set of plates you want to take out without removing the entire pile. So this shelf has all of Sharon's pans which she uses in the kitchen studio, and the lids that go along with it. And this is typically how most of us store our pans. So just using two products here to make it a little more easy to access, we're going to just store them by size on different levels so that it's easier to take out the one you want. And also using this product to hold the lids so that they don't tumble on top of each other while you're trying to access them. We've organized the pans according to the sizes along with the corresponding lids, so you're not disturbing the other lids when you want to reach out for a particular one.